Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the holder matches your device size and wait so tracking stays accurate. Once done, attach the base to a stable surface or tripod using the 1/4 mount and tighten securely to prevent drift. Make sure the tracking unit has power and Bluetooth paired to your phone or camera. This establishes the communication link. Finally, center the device in the clamp, aligning sensors with the optical markers, so initial calibration will be straightforward and reliable. Now you perform calibration in the companion app so the system learns positions and movement limits. Do not move the holder during this step, otherwise you must repeat it. After calibration, manually test pan and tilt, adjusting tension knobs and locking screws. This controls inertia and prevents overshoot when tracking fast motion. Next, configure tracking parameters such as subject size, follow distance, and smoothness settings. These values fine-tune responsiveness and avoid jitter. Once set, run a short practice. Begin your session by engaging tracking mode and recording so you can evaluate real-time performance. Watch for latency or loss of lock and make small adjustments on the fly. If you see jitter, increase the smoothness setting, tighten the mount, or slightly reduce follow speed. These changes reduce overshoot and make motion more natural. If tracking fails or disconnects, restart the tracker and repair Bluetooth. If problems persist, rerun calibration or switch to the wired backup to rule out wireless interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.